Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a peaceful day in my life, from the moment I woke up to the little routine that keeps our home in order. It is a quiet realm filled with intention, and I hope it inspires you to find joy in your own routine. Good morning, everyone. I usually start my morning whenever I'm not going to the office around 9 a.m. Yes, because I have to get enough rest. The first thing I do after prayers is to lay my bed. It's so calming, and starting my morning routine by using ice cube on my face. Using ice cube on your face reduces puffiness and potentially improving skin tone and texture. This is right. I've been using this for quite some time now and it's so effective. So guys, you may want to try it out because it works. I can testify. Yes. After which, I switch to my serum. I have to moisturize my face for the morning. So I'm adding my serum to my face to make it soft and smooth. You're going to see how beautiful I will look when I come to the brightness of the light. So guys, I will recommend this for you. You should try it out. This is how peaceful I felt. I was like, without eyes, I felt peace in my spirit. I have to lose my hair because there's this inner peace that comes with losing your hair after tying it up for like days. I was just feeling myself like I was so calm. I can feel the happiness inside my soul, trust me. So it's wellness time. I made this awareness myself. Do you know I'm happy? I'm even laughing. I'm happy because I made this myself. If you're a lady, you're suffering from hormone imbalances. After a lot of research, I have to come across this seed cycling, which I started some days or weeks ago. It's actually nice. I have felt a lot of changes in my body. You may want to also do research about seed cycling, then come back to me and tell me how it feels after trying it. What I have here is my flax seed, my pumpkin seed, my chia seed. I have some cinnamon, then raw oat. I blended everything together. That is what I take every morning before I start my day. I used to add milk to it, guys. Trust me, it's so delicious. After laying my bed, I go to my husband's room to do the same. How often do you change your sheet in a week or a month? Because I need to know how often you do that. This is just a small act of care that set the tone for the day. I don't rush. I take my time. These little details matters a lot to me because I have to take my time arranging. I don't get to do this often because I'm an accountant and I work. So the days I am free or I'm not working, I take them to do this for my family, guys. Next, I headed to the living room. I couldn't open the window or the curtain because the church closed by. They are always disturbing, they're always praying, they're always having meetings. So I didn't want that noise. So I just have to cover my curtain and leave it the way it were. So guys, let's clean. I started tidying up my shelf. I cleaned all my flour, my vase, my art. I was just cleaning everything while I was happy because this day was actually a happy day for me. I was just cleaning. I arranged my throw pillow. I arranged everywhere. I cleaned everywhere. Everything was going so smoothly. You see me coming with this diffuser. You see this diffuser here, guys? Oh my God. The scent is something else. Like, my living room was just like heaven. It was just like paradise. I was just like, gosh. I am sure. Oh, guys, look at this thing got broken. I don't know how, but then I'm still going to keep it there like that until I get a new one. Trust me on that. Sure. So I was just cleaning. I know I'm short. Before you call me short, we listen and without judge. You see that one there? I have to stretch my legs before my hand got to that place. We listen, but we don't judge. I try carrying out the floor. I believe that a clean space brings clean mind. So I do my best to keep this area neat. It is where we rest, it is where we relax, and this is where we connect as well. So cleaning it should be paramount. Our living room is all set. The ambiance is just calming. And guys, we are done. So now it is time to go to the kitchen. Kitchen is the heartbeat of every woman. Trust me. If you're a woman, you want your kitchen to be neat, to be clean. So guys, I use a gentle cleaner and I give it a good wipe. Keeping it clean makes cooking more enjoyable. I believe the kitchen is the heart of every home. So I try my best to keep it welcoming and ready. Once everything is clean, I make breakfast. Today, I'll be making scrambled egg and bread. I love cooking. It's my thing. Yes, of course it is. Am I the only one who loves to heat my bread in pan before eating it? Let me know if you love it. Adding salt to my egg because I'm an African, I love spices. Then adding a little bit of pepper to my egg. Then I whisk it together very well. So then I'm adding butter and some sunflower oil to my pan so that it will be easy for me to do some scrambled eggs. You can see my breakfast is already ready. So added my milk and my Milo. Now it is time to eat the fruit of my labor. You can see from my eyes that I was already exhausted. I was exhausted and I was tired, but then I needed to continue. So after this breakfast, I had a little bit of rest. Then I have to sleep for a while and watch some movie. Good evening again. We are here to make our dinner. So sit back and watch. Going to the freezer to bring out my soup because I already made some egusi soup. Just tell me, am I the only one that likes to add groundnut oil whenever I'm making my semo? I know adding oil to your semo make it more fluffy and soft. That's what I felt. So guys, if you haven't done it, I think you should try it out. It's very nice. Hola, our food is ready. I am excited and I'm so done. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and on your notification bell so that whenever I post, you'll be the first person to receive it for more content. Bye.